Hey there, if you are watching this video, it's because you just signed up as a promoter with Pruvit, and I just cannot be more excited to congratulate you on owning your own business and also welcoming you to the team. I'm really excited to start digging in with you. The first thing that's really crucial when you sign up is to know how you can get your referral code to send to your customers. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and show you how you can log in and get your referral code. So you're going to log into your cloud.justpruvit.com. If you haven't been on this page in a while, it's going to ask you to log in. I've logged in recently. Once you log in, up at the right-hand corner, you're going to see your name. When you click on that, you're going to go to settings. And over here on your left, it's going to say referrer code. And when you click on your referrer code, you're going to get your very own unique referrer code. Now, you can edit this code, and I highly suggest you do that when you are first starting your business so that you can use your team name or your name that is specific to you that people are going to know. Once you need your referrer code, you just click on it, you copy paste it, and now you are ready to send it to your customers so they can begin shopping online at your website. So that's it. So remember, when you sign up, make sure to edit your code to something that is suitable for you or for your team, and then copy and paste it. What I do is I keep that referral code in Evernote or in a place or in a notes section where you can always get to it, so that when you're out and about and someone needs it, you can very easily copy it, paste it, and send it to your customers. I hope that helps, guys. I will see you on the next video.